Hello to you all. If you're watching this, are nearing the end of the road for your research paper. This is your second to last document before you really just start putting the whole paper together. So don't begin this video or this assignment until, as it says here, I have reviewed and okayed your devising and using research questions document. Most of the document that you're going to complete here in just a minute is going to be you copy and pasting information from your drafting essential idea and devising and using research questions documents that you've already worked on. I'd advise you to pause this video and go open those up. You shouldn't have to do very much when you complete this next document. Summary of paper research is what it's called. As far as research goes, you should be pretty much done. We're talking 90 to 99% done with research. You're putting all of your research in one central location, so when you write your papers, the information is consolidated, which means that it's all put together in one space. I encourage you to please review my example, which is here at the bottom, before you start, so you have an idea of what this is going to look like for you. But I'm actually going to show you how to do it. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to do in this document is copy and paste your 3 key moments. Alrighty, so you should have those 3 key moments in your drafting essential idea document. So you'll go over to where you've listed your 3 key moments. I've got mine here in green, purple, and red. And I'm going to copy and paste those right here. My 3 key moments. I'll delete that number 4. I don't need that. And then my 3 main research questions. Well, I came up with those in the devising and using research questions document. So let's go to those 3 research questions. Alright, here they are. My 3 research questions. Copy and paste those over. Delete that 4 and 5. And then my informational questions. So you did those in the devising and using research. These are all the where, when, who, what, why, how. Alright, so I copy and paste those. I'm going to delete all this and copy and paste them right here. Alrighty. And then your essential idea, your drafting essential idea. That is number 4 right here of the drafting essential idea document. And you're going to paste that right there. And then this is where you might need to do a little thinking. You might need to do your last, remember I said 90 to 99%? This is that last 1 to 10%. Gaps in information, events, moments, important topics that you need to cover. Now what do you put here? In this space, this is where you cover anything that got missed, that maybe you forgot to include, or when you go back to that directed exploration, if we talked in class, and I said, hey, yeah, you don't need all 8 of these key moments. Let's just focus on a few. Or when you got to the drafting essential idea document, maybe you had 6 things listed. I was like, hey, you know what? Maybe you talk about the aftermath of the hurricane later on. Or maybe you talk about the traffic jams in your intro and conclusion. This is where you want to kind of mention anything that might be worth covering in your research paper that is not a part of these key moments, right? That is not a part of your essential idea. We're talking about anything that came way before, that came well after your key moments that you think is worth mentioning. You should probably have at least 2 things listed here. I know I have 5, but really you at least need to tell me something that comes before and something that comes after your event. And then finally, the sources. You should have been copy and pasting your sources from doc to doc to doc to doc. Okay. If you haven't been, well, they're likely either in your drafting essential idea at the top or the bottom, or they're in your directed exploration there at the top as well. As you see, I've got them right here. Okay, you'll copy and paste those sources so I know where you got your information from. And that is it. You're done with this document. This shouldn't take you more than 20 to 30 minutes to complete. When you're done, I want to look over this part right here. I will look and glance at everything just to kind of make sure it's in the right order, but I'm focused on the gaps in information. What is it that you aren't mentioning in your 3 key moments that's worth discussing in your topic? When you're done with that, I've looked it over. I said, all right, you're good to go. Turn the sucker in, and you're ready to move on to the intro, body paragraph, and conclusion to start your essay. Good luck.